One of my favorite things, homemade applesauce, easy peasy. Stick with me and I'll show you how. You are going to peel 15 apples, honey crisp, I like the sweetness of them, and 3 pears. Slice your apples and pears into a pot. Don't have to worry about the size. Keep the core part for your composter. Add 3/4 cup lemon juice to the pot. Put it on a soft simmer and the apples and pears will start to cook down and soften, and just keep simmering. Stir periodically to keep from scorching. About 40 to 60 minutes, it'll be nicely, cooked down, and you're going to put 1/2 cup of sugar or honey. Ready to serve or keep it in the fridge for up to a week. Homemade applesauce, awesome. You have a great day.